She said, Mr. Hollywood, won't you come back soon? She said.
Okay, so now we've packed everything up and we're now leaving for Amsterdam. But first, we're gonna go get some bubble tea and, of course, bubble tea. So, let's go! Anjing has to go down first because the lift is too small for the both of us. Good PM, everybody. We are currently in the train, if you can tell. Anjing's having her breakfast at 2 PM in the afternoon. I got some bubble tea from my favorite bubble tea store in Paris, and we are leaving for Amsterdam. 我们现在在一个火车里面，我们火车对面有一个男的，等一下我给你一个 sneaky peek。但是刚才我们讲话讲了有一点点大声，但他突然给我们那个 bombastic side eye。坐我们对面那个女的，她讲电话过后 ，right， 然她就给一个 criminal offensive side eye。但是现在他自己讲电话就可以咯，但是我们讲电话就不可以咯。不管他，我们吃我们的拉多瑞。你看我们的拉多瑞这么美。So we have finished the box, and there were a few flavors that were a bit suspicious, some orange thing and some Mary Antoinette thing, and we didn't really like it very much. Our verdict is that Bill Hammy is better.
I agree.
Okay, goodbye Paris. See you Amsterdam. So we have arrived in Amsterdam. Walking to our Airbnb, which is like about 10 minutes away. It's such a nice sunny day. Finally the sun is out after like a gajillion days of like rain and gloom. Arrived, and our room is so freaking cute. Later I'll show you the stairs, which was quite a nightmare, but it was quite fun also, I guess. Our view from the window. Okay, so Anjana and I are making our way down these stairs, which are so steep.
Then the next thing you know is
As usual, us Asian girlies is back with the Asian food in Europe. Today we are at this restaurant called Umami. Looks really, really good, but I hope it tastes as good.
fire. Fire. Real fire. I'm so happy with this.
We have some scallops, veggie gyozas, which look really good, and lemon fish. Of course, we have some curry prawns, some truffle halibut, some black bean beef, and black cod with wasabi mayo sauce. And honestly, Anjing and I are just ecstatic that they gave us free rice. We were so happy when we saw like other people had rice, and we were like, we hope we got rice. And then the rice came, and we were like, yes, rice. Dessert, matcha ice cream with yuzu cake. Yay. Okay, so we just had a very good dinner, but we are out walking back to our house. It's so freaking cold. Ooh, shiver me timber.
Why didn't you just bring your Tommy?